So you'll see these kind of questions come up quite a lot in geometry. Without even reading the question too much, I can tell that we're going to be needing to understand this line here and over here. What it means is that those two lines I've just highlighted are equal in length. Okay. Now, if they are equal in length, then this triangle, which I can finish highlighting now, is an isosceles triangle, because isosceles triangles have two lengths that are the same, and in which case this angle here and this angle here are equal as well. So I'm going to just do like a sort of double angle symbol like that, just to show that they're equal to each other. So now, we want to work out angle Y. Okay, so we can see that angle 154, so this angle here, which is 154, and this angle, which we can call RQT, are alternate. So we can say, and this angle is called CRQ. So we can first of all write down that CRQ. If we know that we've got to give reasons for our answer, we might as well, as we're working it out, write down what we've worked out. So we'd have to backtrack and explain our reasons after we've given the answer. So CRQ and and RQT are alternate. And so we can say 154 degrees. I can just put I just put equals, or we can just maybe say RQT equals 154 degrees. And then I can say that this time I want to maybe use the word triangle, because and also if you want a symbol, then you can just do that to mean an angle. And because a triangle, if I want to refer to a triangle, I also use three letters. So I could also, rather than writing the word triangle, I could just draw a little triangle like that. So triangle RQT is isosceles. Isosceles. And then we can say RQT equals, and this is angle RQT equals, hang on a second, no, it's not RQT, that's wrong. That's not the one I wanted to talk about. I wanted to put QRT. So angle QRT equals angle QTR, which is what I've demonstrated there. And then we could talk about angles in a triangle, but I think if we could just say that QRT plus angle QRT plus angle QTR plus angle RQT equals 180 degrees. I don't think I need to, at this stage, write because they're angles in a triangle and all angles in a triangle add up to 180. That's quite a lot to write, and I think I've written enough already. So that, I think, would probably be enough. I don't think I need to explain that bit any further, hopefully. So therefore, we can say that we'll just go 180 degrees minus 154 degrees. And what does that give us? That gives us 26 degrees, doesn't it? Is that right? Yeah, 26 degrees. We can say at this stage, again, we could explain this further and further, but I think it's probably enough at this stage just to go Q TR is equal to 26, and we just divide by 2 because it's going to be the same as that. So these two would be the same, and if we divide them by 2, we'll work out the value for each one. So 154 plus these two would equal to 180. So when you minus 154, the sum of these two together is equal to 26. So one of them must be, each one must be 13 degrees. Next, we can say that Q, T, R plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. Maybe if I want, I can just put straight line. But again, this is probably overkill. So Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 13 degrees, which is equal to 167 degrees. And that's the answer. Okay.